For centuries, humanity believed our home was the center of the universe. In every map and model, the Earth stood still, while the sun, stars, and planets dutifully spun around us. It was a beautiful, stable vision of the cosmos. But then, a quiet scholar named Nicholas Copernicus dared to challenge everything. Working in secret, he spent his life meticulously charting the heavens, arriving at a radical new idea. What if the Earth was not the center, but instead orbited the sun? Galileo was the first to see the evidence. With his homemade telescope, he looked to the heavens, discovering moons orbiting Jupiter and craters on our own moon. These observations proved that the perfect, unchanging universe of old was not real. While Galileo faced persecution, Johannes Kepler was proving him right. Using precise data, Kepler showed that planets move in elliptical orbits, not perfect circles. He replaced theory with mathematical law, a foundational shift for modern astronomy. Isaac Newton saw the cosmos in a single simple act. Watching an apple fall, he found the key to universal gravitation. The same force that pulls an apple to the ground also keeps the moon in its orbit, uniting all of creation under a single set of laws. Science was no longer confined to dusty books. Public demonstrations like this one brought experiments to life, showing the wonders of air pressure and vacuum. The new knowledge was a source of wonder and excitement for the public. Old medical texts were no match for direct observation. The first dissections in anatomy lectures showed doctors that the human body was not as ancient texts described it. The scientific revolution was happening not only in the stars, but inside us too. New ideas needed a new home. The Royal Society was born, a group of great minds who gathered to debate, collaborate, and build on each other's work. It was the birth of the scientific community as we know it today. The discoveries of this era didn't just change minds, they changed technology. The invention of better telescopes and instruments opened the universe up to us, all building on the foundational truths discovered by these revolutionary thinkers.